So another example of when you use the percent circle is to find the whole. So if we have 21 is 7% of what number? We can use the percent circle to figure out the answer to this question. I'll start by drawing the percent circle, and then we need to figure out where to place these two numbers. So 7% has the symbol, so we know that it's going to go in the percent section. But we need to make sure that we change this to a decimal. So remember, we start at the end, move it twice, and that's how we know what our decimal is. 21. So remember, part over whole is the same as is over of. So 21 is. That means 21 is going to be the is, or the part. So we're going to write it on the top. That means we're finding out what the whole is. So we analyze what we have, the 21 and the 0.07. They're on top of each other. So I can rewrite them as a fraction with 21 over 0.07. This is really a division, so I'm really dividing 21 by 0.07. So that means 21 divided by 0.07. So 21 is going to go on the inside. So whenever you have a decimal on the outside of the division, you need to move it twice so that you can actually divide. But there's nothing on the inside. We need to do the same on the inside. So that means we need to add a decimal and then move it twice. Just like before, we add zeros as placeholders. Extend the line, and now we're dividing 7 into 2100. So 7 goes into 21 3 times. Multiply, subtract. I have a 0, doesn't go in there. 0 doesn't go in there. So 21 is 7% of the number 300. Here's another example of how to find the whole using the percent circle. Dan received a $150 commission on a TV he sold. If his commission rate is 3% of the cost of the TV, how much did the TV cost? So we'll start by drawing the circle. We have a percent, so we should know where that one goes. All right, make it a decimal first. So now I need to figure out, where does this $150 go? So he received a $150 commission on a TV, and it's only 3% of the TV. So it says commission is cost of the TV. So the TV is the whole. It's based on what his commission rates, right, based on. So the TV is the main thing. That means the TV is the whole. And that's what we're trying to find. So TV is what we're trying to find, and 150 must be the part of the TV, or the cost of the TV. So here we have a fraction, 150 over 0.03, which is really division, so I'll divide 150 by 0.03. Remember, we have to move our decimal twice. Here we have to add a decimal and move it twice. So we'll add zeros as placeholders. So we're really dividing 3 into 15,000. So 3 goes into 15 5 times. Writes 15, subtract. We get a 0. So that means all the other zeros we can bring up. And this TV cost $5,000.